Good evening, dear student. Welcome my today class. Today I will teach chapter number 8. Chapter name is winds, storms, and cyclones. Okay. So today I will teach in this chapter about winds current are generated due to uneven heating of the earth. Okay. So student, you can see in the one picture in here. In this green board. Okay, nature, there are several situations where warm rises at a place, the air pressure at the place are lower. Okay, the cold air from the surrounding areas, okay, rises in this field its place. This set of convection in the air, also known as convection. Okay, convection current in air. Okay, so I will explain about this cycle. Okay, so students, in lower areas, okay, air is the touch with hot air. Okay, after that air becomes warm. After then air is lighter. After then warm air rises. Okay, after then this warm air rises convert in cold area. So cold air. Okay, after that cold air is high air. After that this cold air rises into fill the vacuum. After that this air in touch with hot air. So this cycle have continuously. Okay, in our environment. Okay, so this cycle is a convection current in air. Okay, this cycle is a convection current in air. Okay, so in convection current in air in our environment. So, student, the greater the difference in air pressure, the faster air moves. Okay, the greater the different in air pressure, the faster the air moves. Okay, so the difference in air pressure created in nature are due to the uneven heating of earth, okay, in the region. Thus the winds currents are generated due to unequal heating of the earth. Okay, so it takes place in two situations. First is unequal heating between the equator and poles of the earth. Okay, and then unequal heating of land and water of oceans. Okay. Okay, this one and you can see the one picture in our green board. Okay, so this picture showing the wind flow pattern become uneven heating of the earth. Okay, this saw the wind flow pattern becomes uneven heating of the earth. This picture showing by. Okay, so student, you can see in the picture this is north pole and this is a south pole. Okay, upper part is north pole, lower part is a south pole. Okay, so this is the island. This is a 60 degree north pole, and this area is a 30 degree north pole, and this is a equator. Okay, and this is a 60 degree south pole, and this is a 30 degree south pole. Okay, so student, this 60 degree north pole is showing polar wind. Okay, polar wind, and 30 degree. Okay, and between 60 and 30 degree between showing western lines. Okay, and between 0 to 30. Okay, between 0 to 30 showing north is trade winds. Okay, and 0 to 60 degree south area. Okay, showing south is trade winds. Okay, and 30 to 60. So 30 to 60 showing western lies. Okay, 30 to 60 showing. Sorry, this is change. Okay, once again, 0 to 30 degree Celsius south area showing south is trade winds. Okay, and this is direction, okay, and 30 to 60 degrees, 30 to 60, okay, it is showing western lights, okay, western lights, okay, and south pole and 60 degree Celsius area showing polar winds, okay, and this is the wind direction, and this is the wind direction, okay. So I have understood all of you, okay. If the wind is produced by the uneven heating between the equator and pole, so this is the equator and this is the pole, okay. So this is equator and this is all this is the pole, okay. So this is the south pole and this is the north pole, so equator to north pole and equator to south pole, okay, showing uneven heating between the equator and south pole, okay. So the region close to equator receive direct rays the sun, okay. It is hottest part of the earth. Equator is the hottest part of the earth, okay. So the warm air creating an area of low air pressure, this makes cooler denser air from the tropical belts, okay, below towards the equator to take the place of warm rising air, okay. These permanent winds are called the northeast and southeast, okay. Northeast trade winds and southeast trade winds, okay. So these permanent winds are called the northeast and southeast trade winds, okay. So the hot air that rises from the equator, okay, and cooled and becomes heavy, okay. It comes down near the 30 degree Celsius, okay. And again the 30 degree Celsius latitude, okay. So this is 30 degree Celsius, okay, and this area showing, so this area becomes a region of high pressure from here, okay. The winds blow toward the equator and toward pole, the winds blowing from 60 degree north, okay. So 60 degree north, this is the equator and this is 60 degree north, okay. So the winds blowing towards 60 degree north and 60 degree south, okay. So this is 60 degree south and this is 60 degree north. This is equator to 60 degree south, north, and equator to 60 degree north. So latitude are called the western lights, okay, western lights, okay. That's clear. So again, okay, western light and this area is western lights, equator to north 60 and equator to south 60, western lights, okay. So again the air is latitude 60 degree on both the sides, this side north side and south side, okay. So sides, the equator is warmer that at the poles, okay, okay. So the warmer air is 60 degree latitude rises, creating region of low air pressure, okay, and cold air from the polar region, okay, rises into the take its place, okay. This makes the winds blow from cold polar region toward the 60 degree north and 60 degree south latitude, 60 degree north and 60 degree south, okay. So these winds are called polar winds, okay. These winds are called polar winds, okay. So the rotation of the earth makes the trade winds and polar winds blow in a easterly direction, okay, rather than blowing in the straight north-south direction, okay. Then so student, next is the wind current produced by uneven heating of land and water, okay. We have read about sea breeze and land breeze in chapter 4, okay. So in summer land near the equator of the earth, okay. So land near the equator of the earth, okay. So of the heats faster than the water in oceans, okay. So heats are faster than the water in oceans, okay. So most of the time the temperature of land is higher than that water in oceans, okay. In summer season, no? Okay. So in summer the temperature of land is higher than then of water in the oceans. Okay, so the air over the land gets heated and rises, creating a low pressure area. This causes the cooler winds blowing from the oceans towards the land. Okay, so the winds blowing from the oceans, okay, the winds blowing from the oceans toward the land in summer are called summer monsoon winds. Okay, summer monsoon winds. That's clear. The winds blowing from the oceans toward the land. Oceans. Okay, oceans toward the land. Oceans. Oceans toward the land. Toward the land. Okay. So in summer are called summer monsoon. Okay. So student, these monsoon winds carry a lot of water from the oceans and bring large amount of rain on land. That's clear. And in winter, okay, in winter, okay. So in winter season, okay, on the other hand, wind blowing from the land toward the ocean, land toward the ocean. Okay, in winter season, wind water land to ocean. Okay, so thus during winter the land cools down much faster than the water oceans. So the temperature of water in the sea is higher than that of land. Okay, the air over the water gets heated, rises, creating a low pressure area. Okay, so the cooler wind from the land. Okay, so rises toward the ocean. These winds are cooler, the winter monsoon winds. Okay, the cooler wind from the, okay, the cooler wind from the land. Okay, so rises toward the ocean. These winds are cooler, the winter monsoon wind. Okay, the winter monsoon wind. Okay, so this moment monsoon did not cause any major rainfall. Okay, the winter monsoon, because the moisture as it blows over the Bay of Bengal and brings rainfall to coastal Tamil Nadu. Okay, so students, I hope understood both topics. Winds is producing by the inequality between the equator and poles of the earth, and second topic, winds current are produced by the heating of the land and water. Okay, so have a nice day. Good day.